Beneath the skies of a restless night, where shadows dance in metallic flight, theories clash and whispers rise. A debate unfolds beneath darkened skies. What stirs the drones in their silent spree? What hand commands their mystery? The voices gather, their truths collide, as reason and fear stand side by side.
It's Iran, no doubt. Their drones take flight. They test our borders under cover of night. A mothership lurks on the ocean's edge, a plan unfolding, a covert pledge.
It's aliens, friends. Can't you see their crafts defy our technology? No earthly drones could move like this. Proof of visitors we've long dismissed.
It's domestic terror, a rebel's game, a plot to bring the nation shame. Drones in the dark, their targets unknown, a shadowy threat that's homegrown.
No need for alarm, no cause for fright. These claims are baseless, though drones take flight. We've seen no proof of a foreign foe. Trust our word, there's nothing to know.
And so the voices rise and fall, each certain they've deciphered it all. But, in the spaces where answers should be, lies only the echo of mystery.
Iran's the enemy. We've known for years. Their threats are real, confirm our fears. Their drones are weapons, precision's key. They've come to test our complacency.
You cling to nations. How quaint, how small. This is bigger than borders, bigger than all. Their crafts are beyond our earthly frame, an intergalactic celestial game.
Don't look outward, the threat's within, a nation divided, ripe for sin. The drones are tools, their message loud. A strike to topple the mighty and proud.
Speculation runs wild, but facts are clear. These drones are no herald of war or fear. Investigations ongoing will find the source. But so far, no evidence, no hostile force.
The chorus turns, the stories churn. The flames of doubt continue to burn. From foreign foes to alien grace, to rebels hiding in a familiar place. Beneath these claims, one thread holds true. The unknown lingers in each worldview. The skies above, a canvas vast, reflect the fears of futures past.
Dismiss us all you want, deny, deflect. But Iran's the suspect we should expect. These drones aren't toys. They're scouts for war, to weaken defenses, to settle a score.
You're stuck in politics, blind to the skies, while cosmic truths unfold before your eyes. Wake up, my friends. The answer's above. It's visitors bringing warnings, or love.
Our systems fail. The signs are clear. The enemy rises when chaos draws near. The drones are here, their pilots unknown. But look to the cracks in our house of stone.
We've heard your fears, we've noted your claims, yet evidence points to simpler aims. Drones are strange, but let's not leap. Our skies are secure, your fears can sleep.
So the voices swirl in the public sphere, each staking a claim, their truths sincere. Yet certainty hides in the shadow's trace, and the mystery lingers in the drone's dark grace. What lies above in the star-streaked dome? What secrets hover, or merely roam? For now, the skies hold their veiled refrain, a question whispered in steel and plain. And as we watch, with our theories spun, the threads unravel or weave as one. For truth remains, as it often does, a silent guest where no answer buzzes.